Hello everyone. In the previous video I talked about that how you can make your mom proud of you even if you are a grown-up adult. In today's video, as promised, I am going to discuss some additional tips that may be especially relevant to your situation. Number 1. Talk to her about your goals. Let your mom know what you want to achieve in your life, both professionally and personally. She may be able to offer you advice and support. Number 2. Be honest with her about your relationship status. Let your mom know that you are happy with your life even if you are not married. Explain to her that you are focused on your career and other goals. Number 3. Help her out around the house. Since you are working from home, you have the opportunity to help your mom out around the house more often. This could include cooking, cleaning, and running errands. Number 4. Offer to take her out to lunch or dinner. This is a great way to spend time with your mom and show her you appreciate her. Number 5. Tell her how much you love and appreciate her. Don't be afraid to tell your mom how much she means to you. She will love hearing it. It's important to remember that everyone is different, so what works for one mom may not work for another. The best way to figure out how to make your mom happy is to talk to her and ask her what she needs from you. I hope you have found something helpful from this video. If you are new to this channel, do not forget to subscribe Mental Health Awareness. See you in the next video.